Hosting a meeting. In this video, we will show you how to host a meeting. To host a meeting, you will have to have a Zoom account. If you don't have a Zoom account, head on over to zoom.us to sign up and download the Zoom app. Once you've done this, open your Zoom desktop app and log in. Log in using the email and password you have created. Now simply click the New Meeting tab and your meeting will be started. You will have to invite participants to the meeting room. This can be done by clicking Invite Others, then selecting your preferred email client, then simply enter the participant's email address and send your invite. Once the invitee clicks on the Join Meeting link, you will receive a notification to allow them to join your meeting. Congratulations! You have now hosted your first meeting. In this video, we have shown you how to host a meeting.